Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating animated stickers on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Creating animated stickers from your live photos is a super fun way to express yourself in messages to your friends and family. You can use animated stickers in messages. The animation doesn't work on WhatsApp. Open the Photos app and then open the live photo that you would like to create your animated sticker from. Hold down on the subject of the sticker, and when it is selected, slide the subject up a bit so you have two subjects. Then let go. Tap Add Sticker. Then tap Add Effect. In the top left corner, tap Off to make the sticker animated. Then tap Done in the top right. Your animated sticker is now created. Open the Messages app to use it in a message. Tap the plus icon to the left of the text box. Then select Stickers. Tap on your animated sticker and then tap Send to send it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.